it is clear unequivocally, without any doubt whatsoever, E.J. Bradford Jr. was shot 3 times from the back while he was running away, while he was moving away from the police. So we wait for the officials to tell this family why this officer is going to be given any kind of different treatment than anybody else will be given who shot and killed a human being in such a reckless manner. We met with the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency as well as the district attorneys, and they expressed to the family their heartfelt condolences, and they also expressed that they were going to work effectively and efficiently to get the truth out, to get all the answers out.